So anyhow, we gotta get back into this.
We're on an African safari. We're gonna rescue all the elephants.
Alright, look, we're going to the pad. I have no idea. I don't know what it looks like. Alright, we're going to the pad to go see the crocs because people don't know what they're doing. I was just doing some tarantula research. There's New World and Old World tarantulas based on which hemisphere they grew up in. And they act differently too. Like their mechanisms for survival are different. So very interesting. And, okay, we made it to the pad. They couldn't get it started. Hallelujah! Guys, maybe I'll do a series of getting my CDL. 50 questions you should know about somebody. Daily joys, how they cope. Ooh. Wait, I should go back and actually read that. Hang on. I feel like childhood low-key ended at 4. But that's I'm gonna sit here for 25 minutes just sitting here thinking of absolutely nothing. I really don't know. Who was your favorite teacher and why? Mrs. Draper was really funny and cool. She granted it was probably because I did nothing but yap and cause distractions and stuff. But there was this big giant table at the back of the classroom that it was used for the assistant teacher who would come in and grade papers and stuff. But during our class, she wasn't there. And I remember one day I just got annoyed with my desk, and I literally just walked to the back. Granted, my desk was here and the table was literally right behind me. Literally just got up and walked and sat there. But she didn't care. And then I want to say she asked me if I wanted to be moved there because low-key my neighbor in that class, I feel like it was Mariah. She's cool. I don't know if she moved away or not. Low-key, I think she moved away. But she was really studious, and I would literally do nothing but talk to her. Literally nothing to her, so I'm pretty sure she asked for her to move me. But that table was called Land and Land, and I ate that shit up. And me and her had banter. I got her a Keurig. She would stop class to have a coffee break. She was so funny. She would just food stop. Wait, I need coffee. I need caffeine. Oh my god, I love her so much.
I don't know, maybe Rachel look good, it's cute, you know.
I hope nobody held them. Puppy. Oh, it's leg.
Thank you.
Wait, this is Trader Joe's.
No, the one I was here. It's like a goat.
That's not going to Okay, Marissa, you just got yourself a Christmas gift.
Starting a FaceTime call.
Don't yell at me. He's looking for over. Oh, she's calling me back. She's calling me back. Right. So you want orange?
That's really cute. What's the orange?
So you want? It's a bright orange.
I mean, the pink one's cute.
Say hi to the vlog.
I just got up at work, actually. I was a chef.
I'm running completely back to the front of this store, dude.
What is this?
Okay, wait, no, this is it's oh wait, there's two different oranges. Tangerine or bright.
Wait, turn it. Let me see.
I could just do this. Dear Lord, how do I use this phone? Any other tickling your fancy?
I like the dark red one, kind of. It's cute. It's cuter than the oranges. Very cool, but I need to pull out back.
Okay. Well, Merry Christmas. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, I'm hitting buttons. I hate this phone low-key.
Well, I gotta go.
Alright, I gotta go find Jacob. All right, adios. Like, thank God she called me back, and I got her the wrong color. I actually wanted to six. All right, where am I going? This is low-key giant. Oh my God! It's so funny they have this hidden behind the mountain. It's hidden because it's hiding clothes.
Can I say hi? Uh-oh. You shot?
It's like A4 or A5 camo.
How much do you think these alternate?
$100.
How you feel these?
Is it polyester?
Just tell me.
Oh, yeah. 169.
That's going in the vlog. I hope you're like, you're about to be famous as hell for that. Bro, get on the Price is Right.
Oh my god, I was in the vlog with my hair like this. Look at my hair.
Bro, I'm looking like Horton. Who's here?
180?
It's an overall set, so like 220.
No. Oh, I grabbed. Is there fucking. Did I grab two of them?
Yeah.
No, they are separate. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, these are supposed to be separate.
$419. Are you fucking kidding me?
And this is 7. This one's
400.
$750.
Guys, this is what they have at the Cabela's. They have real life, like, reenactments of them. You know, it's really intuitive. You know. I need those in a size 13, 14 possibly. I'm like, oh, those looked better from afar.
What are you getting, Carter?
You're not my dad! You also
what it
have
does. I'm gonna
something!
fight him.
Ugly ass fucking noodle.
Like, I'm just gonna go to work and not do a god form.
I low-key did find the card abandoned, so if it's broken, that's why. So anyhow, we gotta get back into this. Little meerkats and shit. Yes. Yes. Yes, my boom. Oh, this is like Sam's Club. Cute. Cute.
Now what the hell?
Military veteran, first responder.
No.
Nate, what's your tattoo? It's St. Michael.
Thank you. You too.
Ugly ass fucking.
And just like that, we're out of that place. Holy hell, that place was so busy. It's not even funny. Guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe down below.
You got the fucking keys. Touch the handle.
Oh shit.